Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am back. I'm getting really into like the fro look, and it doesn't even really have to be defined, but just some type of curl. So there will be a good amount of natural hair videos coming and on the way. But today I'm going to be using two products from Sally Beauty. I got this from Sally's a long time ago and I forgot I even had it. I'm pretty sure that this is a Sally exclusive brand. If it's not, please correct me. But I've never seen this brand anywhere else except for in Sally's, and this is the Pure Oils by Silk Elements. Now, like I said, I've never seen these products anywhere else except for Sally's, so I'm going to be trying these and it's going to be my first time trying them. Not only that, but you guys seem to be very entertained by hair influencers doing weird stuff, and somebody suggested that I try to style and detangle my natural hair with a fork. So today I will be using a fork, no Denman brush, not my fingers, nothing, just a fork to detangle my hair and do this wash and go look. Now I have two other forks. I have like plastic ones and this one's like a harder plastic ones. So I'm gonna try the white plastic ones first to see how it kind of does, and then if not, we're gonna go on with this one. So I'm just gonna do kind of like a normal type of wash and go type of look. But I haven't done a wash and go on my hair in a long time, so this should be interesting altogether. So let's just get into it. I just went in and kind of like rinsed my hair because my hair I didn't really have it styled. I kind of had it in a bun for a long amount of time, and it just had some leave-in conditioner in there. So I just took out the bun and rinsed out my hair. I didn't detangle nothing. I just rinsed out the leave-in conditioner, even though it's leave-in conditioner, and here we are. I'm kind of nervous. This is our first section. My hair dried up already. Okay, got my mirror ready. I'm going to split this back section into two. These sections are so uneven, but it's okay. So I'm gonna spray my hair with some water, of course, and I'm going to add the curl cream styler. Smells like got to be a little bit, but this is what the styler looks like. It's a little sticky. I'm just gonna run that through the section, and like I said, we're detangling with our fork. So let me put some more on the ends. I'm scared. If you guys have any other weird recommendations that you guys want to see me try, let me know. So, I said I'll start with this one. I'm gonna take the fork. Oh my god. And detangle these sections. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to do smaller sections in this section. I don't know if you guys, I have my mic on, so I know you guys can hear. I have my mic on, so I know you guys can hear the sound of the fork. It sounds like it's snagging, but it's not pulling any of my hair off. There's no hair on the actual fork, so I guess that's pretty good. And it's so hard for me not to even run my fingers through, because y'all know finger detangling is life. So I might have to speed up a good amount of this video because this may take a while. I got lint balls in my hair. So it didn't hurt, and it's actually not that bad. And this is how much hair I have on the fork after doing that. So now I'm gonna take the Jelly Curls, and this is what the Jelly Curls looks like. Rub that on my hands. And run that through this section. Now that kind of like clumped my curls together a little bit, but they're not like wash and go defined in my opinion. So I'm just gonna add some more of that. Overall, I feel like this isn't actually that bad. I feel like this actually isn't that bad, but like I definitely wouldn't use this method on a normal day. you know, just extra time. But the fork actually works pretty good. So I mean, if you want to try it, you can. Try it out, see how you like it. Let's grab this section here. After I finish this section, I'm going to speed it up a little bit so you guys can kind of see the process without me chatting it up, because y'all know I can talk all day. I ain't trying to talk y'all ear off today. So yeah, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit after this section, and we're gonna see how we do. It's already defining my curls and giving me some definition before I even detangle with the fork. So for this product, I definitely think that more is better. So I'm gonna split my section into two because our comb can't handle all that at once. I'm gonna, did I say our comb? Oh my gosh, our, what is this? Our fork? So I definitely think holding it kind of like you would a pencil helps. And start from the bottom and then work your way up. Once you get through the bottom, you should be straight. You'll have a couple kinks here and there when you get to the middle section, but I think we're doing okay. And it's so hard for me not to just run my fingers through it, because y'all know I finger detangle for majority of the time. I finger detangle, so it's really hard for me to like remember not to stick my freaking fingers in there. So now I'm gonna get some of the jelly curls and run that over the section we just detangled. And I'm not running my fingers through it. I'm literally just pulling it down the hair shaft and letting it go. And it kind of like weighs down my hair a little bit, but it'll bounce back. All right. To this front section, same thing. Starting from the ends. I think that was the easiest section. All right, add jelly curls. And let it go. Let the curls form on their own. I'm not finna mess with them, nothing. My hair kind of just does its own thing. It's always been that way, so we gonna let it do what it do. Then I'm gonna do this middle section. I'm gonna continue on and finish up, and we're gonna see how this fork detangling method worked. guys, so I am finished. I'm officially done. The back of my hair is actually starting to dry because my hair is starting to shrink. My hair is starting to shrink up a lot in the back. But once again, I just used these 2 combs, and overall, this is all the hair. Let me hold it right. This is all of the hair. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's barely any hair in these forks. So that's actually pretty cool. Like I said, it did not hurt. It was not painful at all. I just felt like I was combing my hair out. As far as the products go, I feel like I like the Curl Styler cream better. One, because it defines my curls as soon as I put it on there without, I didn't even detangle, I didn't even brush through, nothing yet. And I already had, like, you could tell the definition which kind of come through. But I told you guys the Jelly Curls has like a weird consistency. I don't know, like I said, it just feels like it's like dry. Like I can feel the product in my hands, but my hands feel like that, like almost like they can go like squeaky. I'm mad I just made that sound, but like that's how it felt. I hope I explained that right. But other than that, this also defined my curls, but I feel like I really didn't need the Jelly Curls to get the definition that I got with the Curl Cream Styler. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, if I can find my diffuser, try to diffuse a little bit, because lately when my hair dries up, it dries up like this, like the shrinkage is so real. So yeah, I'm gonna try and diffuse. If not, then I'm gonna go in with these plates I have that actually stretch out your hair, your curls, whatever style you have. These are from CWK Girls. I think their Instagram page got deleted because I recently tried to look them up and I couldn't find them. But it was recent. I mean, it was an Instagram page for natural girls, and it had a bunch of different tools. And I bought this tool from them, and it just stretches your hair. If you don't have this, then you could always band your hair as well if your shrinkage is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna try and find my diffuser, and let me fix my edges. So we're good on that end, but yeah, let me try and find my diffuser and I'll be back.
You know I need you, baby. So much on my mind.
I put it, it's mine. 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 I put it.
Bro, 4 a.m. I'm just getting started. For my birthday, I threw me a surprise party. If it wasn't for the struggle, then I wouldn't be me. I'm in two dose and this thing but broke.
So next, I'm gonna go in with the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed and Monoi oil. I don't know if you guys have seen this one before. You could probably find this, like, I think in your local beauty supply, because it's in mine, and Target and Walmart. All right, so I'm gonna put some of that on my hands, just a little bit, and I'm gonna like kind of like scrunch my hands into my hair, tug on it a little bit, and we can begin fluffing. I don't know if you guys can see this, but back of my hair definitely shrunk up like immediately. But with some fluffing, you can make it come back to life. All right, guys. So I am back, and I kind of let my hair kind of do its own thing. Blow drying with the diffuser not on there kind of helped dry up the rest of my hair a lot. So after I did that, I kind of just shook my hair around, and it kind of just does what it wants to. And then here, like, you guys can see how much my bangs have grown, like, so it's not even really a bang anymore, but I just flipped the hair back over to the original part that I made in my hair, and here we go. Okay, this is my wash and go using Pure Oils by Silk Elements from Sally Beauty. Also detangling and styling my hair with nothing but a comb. I mean, oh my gosh, I want this to be a comb bag with nothing but a fork. So yeah, if you guys enjoy videos like these, using weird things to either style my hair or do my hair, comment below, let me know what you guys want to see next. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, I love my wash and go, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.